It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men. So we've just had a massive rainstorm for the last hour or so. Starting to ease off now, but as you can see, there's a bit of flash flooding going on. Hopefully not too bad, and it should clear up soon.
Hi guys, Sean here from 5 Star Marine with a breaking weather update. For those of you who are in Phuket right now, you can see right behind me, we're having some heavy rain and flash flooding across Phuket. The flash flooding is causing delays. Roads from Patong to Kat 2 in some cases are cut off, and you've been advised to take alternate routes. If you have a flight at the airport tonight, you are advised to leave early in the event that the roads are gridlocked. Now, rain like this normally passes quite fast. The flash floods that we're having, generally they go away quite fast as well. This is not a panic message. This is not a time for you to think, oh my, Phuket's going to flood, Phuket is going to be in floods and it's not worthy coming. We have had a beautiful day today. We had blue skies out there at PP and James Bond today. The rain has come through in the afternoon and in some parts of Phuket throughout the day. The intensity of the rain is what's causing the flash flooding. In Phuket, our drainage systems are not designed to pull away this water this fast. So what it means for you is that if you are in an area that is flood affected, best to stay inside, have another drink at the bar, have a meal at a restaurant, enjoy your evening, and wait for the flash floods to pass. Once they have passed, the Phuket teams here from the governor, from the provincial office, from the local sub-district officers will get out there, they'll clean it all up and they'll be fine to go. With that said, we are expecting some more rain tomorrow. I will keep you updated if we do expect extended flooding. I'm not at this point calling it extended flooding. I'm saying to you, I am pretty certain this will be flash flooding and only in parts of Phuket. Here at Phuket Boat Lagoon, we do not have any flooding at the moment, but I am seeing reports of flooding in Patong, in Kat 2, and in Phuket town. If you're planning to go to the night markets tonight in Phuket town, I would advert that plan and check again tomorrow. All that and more updates in the Phuket tourism news. If we feel fit, we'll post another one tomorrow.